Democratic Party's George William Kagimu has declared his intention to unseat Betty Nambooze on Munono Municipality MP in 2026.
And because of that, we need leaders like us who can actually sit down and find what our people need. And we can go as a team and lobby for our municipality. And not only that, to go down and make sure that we put the services for the people, especially in the lines of education, lines of health, and also within their economic empowerment, because very many people in our areas really may not afford to have lunch and be assured that they will have supper. They are unable to take their children to school and good schools. So we need to build the schools for them.
He said he had decided to run again to reduce school dropouts and reduce maternal deaths that come as a result of a lack of enough drugs and the failure by the government to give medical workers better pay.
We need to make sure that the government schools that are available are really working well. The hospitals have got drugs. So we need really to be positive and to stop this kind of differences, this infighting with each other. We need to bring down the differences that are political or regional, or also the differences that are tribal. And all of us should put our hands together so that that way we can work together in developing a city, and this city that will be able to help our people live in a very calm environment, and also be able to work for their families and for the good of our community.
He explained that if he's given a chance in 2026, he would use the position efficiently instead of only politicking like his former comrades.
I know very well that Munono needs leaders that are focused, leaders that can work together, leaders that can foster unity within the people that they lead, but also within the team of leaders. What Munono needs today is a team of leaders that are really focused and innovative, and they can lobby for their city and be able to build a city that will give very good environment for their people to work, for their people to develop.
He said there is need to increase the funds channeled to the Constituency Development Fund to support development projects in constituencies.
We must have a very clean environment. Many of our people are going to hospital because they neglect the public hygiene, making sure that no water is logging in places, to make sure that our surroundings are clean, to make sure that we don't have mosquitoes that bring malaria to our people, to make sure that we don't have flies that bring contamination to our food, and therefore getting our people stomach ill.
William Kagimu, Big Television.